Download the Discreet app on your phone. Let's pair the device to your app. Device should be charged before use. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Switch on the device. The phone will now detect it and show the device number. Blue light will start flashing in the device. Clean the device and slowly insert it inside just like a tampon. The metallic side should go in. Don't push it all the way in, but only until where you feel comfortable. The probe should not be loose but firmly placed inside. Start the app now. Use plus and minus to increase or decrease the intensity. Explore all different options in the app to find the one which suits you the best. These women are using the device, but can you really tell? Now no one will know.